Nowadays, there are so many ways in which you can make money online. This is not rocket science. If you know how to turn on your computer, how to browse on the internet, if you know how to type, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how you can make money online with basic skills. Hey, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about real ways to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you would like to go ahead and master, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by typing. Yes, that's it. Just by typing. If you know how to do it and you can follow instructions, you can make money online. By the way, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a better way, just in case that you are interested on a better way to make money online, but that's going to be at the end of the video. Well, the very first website I'm going to show you, it's called Transcribe Me. So you can go to transcribeme.com, and this is a website in which you can actually get paid by this company by transcribing, translating, and being, a data entry. They do have a really high rate customer service satisfaction. I'm just showing you that this is a reliable company. And just in case that you have some questions, you can click here. If you want to apply to be part of this company, you can click here where it says join as transcriptionist. And you're gonna land on this page. You can become a paid transcriptionist today. You can transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It's that easy. Okay, super simple. This is not rocket science. Right now they are paying you everything between $15 to $22 per audio hour, and their top monthly earners are paying over $2,000. Okay, the average monthly earning is $250. By the way, I'm going to show you several websites, okay? So you can apply on this one and you can use the others, okay? So that's something really important. There is no experience required. There is flexibility. You are not going to be, a full-time employee. You are actually going to be working on your own terms. And just in case that you're wondering, like, okay, how do I get paid? Well, you are going to get paid via PayPal, and they're going to be paying you on the weekly basis. If you're ready to be part of their team, you can click on all these buttons like join today, get started, and you're going to land on this page. Okay, you need to provide your name, your last name, an email address, and a verified PayPal account because that's the way you are going to get paid, okay? And okay, so something really important that I almost forget is the fact that you're going to be transcribing really short videos. So it's not like, hey, I'm going to be, there all day long. Okay, that's the website that it's called Transcribe Me. The second website, it's called BabbleType. You can go to babbletype.com. Okay, and you can be part of their team. BabbleType is always looking for transcriptionists, editors, and translators. Okay, the only thing is that you need to understand English. Okay, you need to understand English, and you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have a Google or Gmail account. You need to have a valid PayPal account, a computer. This is not something that you can do from your mobile device or tablet. A good quality internet and headphones. Okay, there is a really long video explaining you exactly what they are looking for and why they are looking for. It's a 30-minute long video. Right now they are looking for transcriptionists, they are looking for translators. They are not currently looking for editors. So if you speak Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish, you can also be a translator. Okay, this is actually BubbleType on bubbletype.com. My suggestion is take your time to watch this video, because they do explain in detail what they are looking for and why they are looking for. This also, it's a website that I have talked about in the past in my channel. It's called Appen. So on appen.com/jobs, you are gonna be able to be part of this company. They are sometimes looking for people who needs to be, you know, full-time employees, but they're also looking for people who can be, you know, freelancers. You can find several jobs on several countries, and one of the jobs that they do have is actually being a transcriptionist. Okay, this appen.com. Another website, and this is a popular one, it's gotranscript.com. Yeah, gotranscript.com. They do have a short video here if you decide to watch it. Basically, they're explaining you what is a transcription is, why it's so important. Okay, you can be part of a global team. And right now they are paying you, or they are going to be paying you per minute. They are going to be paying 60 cents per audio or video minute. The average earning per month is $150, and their top monthly earnings are getting paid over $1,200. Okay, they are always looking for freelancers, so this is not a full-time job. And something really important is that you do not you are actually going to be able to work from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You're going to get paid via PayPal. You can work as many hours as you want, whenever you want. They are flexible hours. Remember, you're going to be a freelancer. You're going to stay busy because they do have several projects. They do have great support. There is a lot of jobs available. You can be transcribing a police investigation one day and a book on the next day. You're going to be growing your skills. Okay, so one of the most common questions are, do you need experience to become a transcriber? No, actually, not only on GoTranscribe.me, but on all the other websites that I have showed you so far. You do not need to have any kind of experience. The only thing is that you need to have a good English skills. Do you hire outside the UK in the case of GoTranscribe.me? Yes, they do. This is a worldwide company, the same with the others websites. Okay, how are you gonna get paid? Well, you're gonna get paid on Friday via PayPal or Payoneer. Remember that the other websites that I show you, they pay through PayPal. Okay, so I want you to take that into consideration. Okay, in case you don't have a PayPal account, or you prefer not to use a PayPal account, in this case you have Payoneer. Okay, once you are ready to join, you can click here where it says apply now, and you're gonna land on this page. You can connect your social networks such as Facebook or Google, or you can log in with your email and with your with a password. Okay, so you're gonna have the customer loyalty program, you're gonna have a special dashboard, and you're gonna have a super checkout. Okay, another website that I want to show you today, it's called Rev, rev.com. Rev.com. If you put rev.com/freelancers, you're gonna be able to land on this page. So you can be a transcriptionist, or you can be a captioner. Okay, if you decide to go ahead and be a transcriptionist, right now their range of pay is between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. Basically, what you're gonna be doing is listening to the audio or the video, and you're just gonna transcribe it. You can be a captioner. Right now they're paying between 54 cents or $1.10 per audio or video minute. You're gonna watch the video, you are gonna put the captions. How you're gonna get paid? Well, you are gonna get paid on a weekly basis via PayPal. Okay, they are offering worldwide opportunities, so it doesn't matter where you guys are, you are gonna have an opportunity with ref.com. Okay, if you want to make money with these methods, you need to put the hours. Okay, so this is not passive income. But if you guys want to know what's my #1 recommendations to make money online, so you can make money while you travel, make money while you sleep, maybe you want to enjoy the time with your family, you want to spend more time with your kids, I'm gonna leave a link below, so that's gonna be the very first link in the description. Okay, so check on that link and give yourself the opportunity to have a better life. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna be helping me. It's gonna help my video. It's gonna help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.